Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A serene sanctuary, description of an aquarium bedroom design. Imagine falling asleep to the gentle murmur of water and waking up to the mesmerizing dance of colorful fish. An aquarium bedroom design offers a tranquil escape, seamlessly blending the beauty of the underwater world with the comfort of your sleeping space. Here's a glimpse into this unique and calming haven, the focal point, the aquarium, wall-mounted majesty. A large, built-in wall-mounted aquarium takes center stage. This creates a stunning visual focal point and allows you to observe the underwater world from the comfort of your bed. Aquascaping magic. The aquarium interior is meticulously designed with live plants, colorful gravel, and decorative elements that mimic a natural underwater environment. Calming creatures. The aquarium is home to a variety of peaceful fish known for their vibrant colors and calming movements. Think serene angelfish, graceful butterfly fish, or a mesmerizing school of neon tetras, a symphony of light and ambience. Underwater glow. LED lighting within the aquarium creates a soft, underwater glow that casts a calming and mesmerizing light throughout the room. Choose color-changing options to further enhance the ambience. Dimmable overhead lighting. Dimmable overhead lighting allows you to adjust the brightness to create the perfect atmosphere for relaxation and sleep. Tranquil sounds. Optional. Incorporate a sound system that plays calming nature sounds, like the sound of gently flowing water, to further enhance the serenity of the space. A haven for relaxation. Comfortable bedding. Invest in a comfortable bed with soft sheets and plush pillows. Consider a bed frame with a high headboard to create a feeling of enclosure and comfort. Seamless integration. The color scheme of the bedroom complements the tones of the aquarium. Think calming blues, greens, and whites to create a cohesive and serene environment. Minimalist decor. Keep decor to a minimum to avoid cluttering the space and maintain the focus on the aquarium. Opt for natural materials like wood and woven textures to add warmth. Strategic plant placement. Optional. A few strategically placed live plants throughout the room not only add a touch of nature but also help purify the air. An aquarium bedroom design is more than just a room, it's an immersive experience. By incorporating a stunning aquarium, utilizing calming lighting and sounds, and creating a peaceful ambience, you can design a tranquil escape that allows you to unwind, de-stress, and reconnect with the beauty of the underwater world. Dive into serenity. Reasons for an aquarium bedroom design. The traditional bedroom offers a space for sleep, but what if you could transform it into a tranquil escape? An aquarium bedroom design offers a unique and calming environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Here's why you should consider incorporating the beauty of the underwater world into your sleep sanctuary. A calming escape. The gentle movement of fish and the soft glow of the aquarium lighting create a peaceful and mesmerizing ambience. This can significantly reduce stress and promote relaxation, leading to a better night's sleep. A unique connection to nature. An aquarium brings a touch of the underwater world into your bedroom. Watching the vibrant fish and live plants thrive fosters a connection with nature and a sense of serenity. Conversation starter. An aquarium is a guaranteed conversation starter. It adds a unique element to your bedroom that will impress guests and spark curiosity. Improved air quality. Optional live plants in the aquarium can help purify the air in your bedroom, promoting better sleep and overall well-being. Low-maintenance beauty. Modern aquariums are designed for ease of maintenance. With proper planning and routine care, you can enjoy the beauty of your aquarium without a significant time commitment. Building your underwater oasis. Getting started with an aquarium bedroom design. Transforming your bedroom into a tranquil underwater haven requires careful planning and attention to detail. Here's a roadmap to get you started. 1. Consider your space. Choose a wall suitable for a built-in aquarium, ensuring it can support the weight of the water. Allow enough space around the aquarium for comfortable access during maintenance. 2. Pick your perfect tank. select an aquarium size that complements your room dimensions and desired aesthetic. Wall-mounted aquariums offer a dramatic effect, but smaller freestanding tanks can also create a captivating focal point. 3. Seek expert advice. Consult with a professional aquarist to discuss fish selection, tank setup, and ongoing maintenance requirements. They can ensure you create a thriving underwater ecosystem. 4. Peaceful fish selection. Opt for fish known for their calming movements and vibrant colors. Popular choices include angelfish, neon tetras, or peaceful community fish. 5. Lighting for ambience. Choose LED lights specifically designed for aquariums. These provide the necessary light for your fish while creating a calming glow throughout the room. Consider dimmable overhead lighting for added control over the ambience. 6. A serene color palette. Opt for calming colors like blues, greens, and whites for your walls and bedding. This creates a cohesive and tranquil environment that complements the tones of the aquarium. 7. Minimalist decor. Avoid cluttering the space. Opt for natural materials like wood and woven textures to add warmth without overwhelming the calming effect of the aquarium. 8. Peace and quiet. The gentle hum of the aquarium filter can be calming, but ensure it's not too loud to disrupt sleep. Consider placing the aquarium on a noise-dampening mat if needed. 9. Live plants. Optional live plants not only add a touch of nature but also help purify the air and provide hiding spots for your fish. Choose low-maintenance varieties suitable for aquariums. 10. Enjoy the journey. Creating and caring for your aquarium bedroom is an ongoing process. Embrace the learning experience and enjoy the calming and beautiful underwater world you've brought into your sleep sanctuary. An aquarium bedroom design is more than just a room, it's an immersive and tranquil escape. By carefully selecting your aquarium and fish, incorporating calming lighting and colors, and maintaining a minimalist aesthetic, you can create a haven for relaxation and reconnect with the beauty of nature, all from the comfort of your bed. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.